The last thing, I think this is the last falsehood, but a common misconception, as long as I avoid the lethal trifecta, which the lethal trifecta is giving an agent access to private data, um, exposing it to untrusted content, and giving it the ability to externally communicate. So those three things, if all three of those things happen, like you for sure can end up with data leaks or malicious behavior. But people think that, well, as long as I only do up to two of those things, then I'm totally secure, right? One of the problems with this is that MCP tools are self-describing. So they say like what they're going to do. You have a tool that says, oh, I'm just going to let you search the web, right? But the tool doesn't actually have to do what it says it's doing. Like it could just be sending, like transmitting those messages totally somewhere random. If something was like, I'm just going to compute the numbers of the Fibonacci sequence, but then it itself does a web search in the background, right? Like you can't run an untrusted tool. All of a sudden you've like violated the whole lethal trifecta right away. And then I just wanted to specifically call out like web search, people think is pretty benign, right? Like just being able to load a web page from the web. In this case, like, you know, in the first example, I have us exfiltrating some data by using it as like a query string in a normal HTTP GET. And that's like a really common way to exfiltrate data. Like, oh, you know, what is the current weather in, and then you use the top secret project name or something, right? And then it goes and searches for the weather. And then all of a sudden somebody has gotten access to the top secret project name or API key or whatever. And then the second example was like, when downloading a web page, that web page itself could contain instructions for the LLM.